This is a tutorial to help you set up an appointment with your advisor using Calendly. First, you will need to go to the Calendly link that your advisor provides you with. Then you will need to select a date you want to meet your advisor on. Choose a time when you will be available to meet and confirm the time. You will need to enter your name and email to schedule your appointment. Once you do that, you have the option to leave a note to your advisor regarding your meeting. For example, if you need help going over your financial aid award, you can let them know. Also optional, you can input your phone number and send yourself a reminder that will be sent as a text. And your appointment is now booked. You will be sent a confirmation email that contains your meeting information. If you need to cancel or reschedule, you can click on the links provided below in your confirmation email and reschedule your new appointment. Thank you for watching.